If you're a Scottish Gaelic language learner, you need to meet Murdo. He's your AI buddy who hilariously fumbles through Gaelic just like you. Hey there! I'm Murdo, or should I say Muruhug. I'm your friendly AI helper, here to make learning Scottish Gaelic just a wee bit more entertaining. Now, my specialty, taking those tricky Gaelic sayings and putting them into context. I want to know what hamiski means? Spoiler, it's I'm tired. And yes, I really am tired of mispronouncing everything. But hey, that's the fun part, right? Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned learner, you'll only get better with a little help from me. And don't forget, if you want to dive deeper, check out lovegaelic.com for online courses or visit North Uist in the Outer Hebrides. It's like a Gaelic boot camp, minus the haggis hunting. So, let's laugh, learn, and maybe cringe a little together. Oops. Cheery. I do know this one. It is the same in both languages. This is Muruhug, always at your service. Just shout, "O Vuruhi," in the vocative case when you need me, and I'll be there for you. Do allow my some night rest. Gatul Savo. Mar Shin, keep Gaelic alive and kicking.